So here I would see the rest of the finger in the back. This is the nail right here. And here is the nail. Here and here. This. You can see we end up with a drawing that is kind of feels right, feels solid, but then I can, at this point, because I didn't really invest a lot of time doing this, just a few minutes, I'm looking at this. I see, well, that palm looks long compared to mine, so this looks a little bit too shorter compared to that, so I can change it very easily. So if we do this now, take out this, okay, and then we look at this as a volume like this, right? Rectangle, see that? Here and here. And now I move up the wrist and I have that palm a little bit shorter. Makes sense? So now, if we want, bring it up again, and then we are going to draw this form a little bit more precisely. This is when we start to have a clean, nice line drawing.